out against Reliance Industries, barring Reliance Industries from trading in the derivatives market for a year, and there is a penalty of 447 crores with interest that will be calculated at the rate of 12%. The disgorgement should happen in 45 days as per the SEBI order. Now, on to the other story that we're tracking. If you are living in Bihar, get ready to shell out more for electricity. The state government has agreed to a steep hike of 55%, but the power distribution companies actually wanted an 84% hike. Anshu Sharma is here to explain the dynamics in Bihar. Anshu.
That's right, but that impact may come down eventually if the state government agrees to give the subsidy meant for the below poverty line and the rural consumers. That impact can come down to 28%. But the point to note is that in the last 6 years, we have seen a negligible hike in the tariff. It has been in the tune of 0% to 19%. So this effectively 28% will be higher. But also remember that Bihar had a debt of the DISCOM debt of 3,110 crore rupees and has now participated in the Ujjwal DISCOM Assurance Yojana, where the debt will come down with operational and financial efficiency. So the current AT&C losses, or the aggregate technical and commercial losses, stands at 47.05% for the 3 quarters of this financial year as compared to the last financial year, which was at 42%. The average cost of supply per unit of electricity and the average revenue realization was at 1 rupees 05 paisa per unit. This gap has to be reduced for the DISCOMs in Bihar to perform well. So this hike might be bad for the consumers in Bihar, but good for the DISCOMs. Back to you.
Well, good for the DISCOMs. Thanks very much, Anshu, for bringing us those details. On to other stories.